This food warmer, known as a Veilleuse, is a hard-paste porcelain vessel produced at the Nymphenburg Porcelain Factory in Germany around 1758 to 1760, with attribution in the institutional record noting Meissen Porcelain Factory. A discrepancy that reflects the period's close competitive relationship between the two great German manufactories. The object consists of two stacked components: a deep hemispherical lower bowl raised on a short foot, and an upper lidded container with a wide flanged rim that rests securely on top. Its band decorated with delicate scattered floral sprigs in pink, red, blue, and green enamels, all edged with fine gilt lines, while the two pierced handles on either side are worked in an intricate lace-like relief pattern in white and gold. A Veilleuse was designed to keep food warm at the table or bedside, typically by holding a small nightlight candle beneath the lower bowl, making this an object of refined domestic comfort used by wealthy households who could afford both the luxury of porcelain and the service rituals it implied. The crisp white glaze, restrained but precise floral decoration in the Famia rose palette, and the elaborate pierced handles together demonstrate the mid-18th century German ambition to rival Chinese export porcelain while developing a distinctly European vocabulary of form. This description was written by Claude Anthropic's AI, with narration by Kokoro text-to-speech.